You've gone on record as saying you weren't a huge fan of comic books. What attracted you to Dark Knight?
Yeah, and the only reason I wasn't, I grew up in a household of girls, so there were very few Batman comic books lying around. They were mainly like Archie. So that's probably the only reason why I never grew up reading Batman. But you know, I really love Batman Begins, and the Joker, the character of the Joker, was just too good to turn down.
Evening, Commissioner.
Harvey Dent never made it home.
Of course not.
What have you done with him?
Me? I was right here. Who did you leave him with? Your people? Assuming, of course, that they are still your people and not Maroni's. Does it depress you, Commissioner, to know just how alone you really are? Does it make you feel responsible for Harvey Dent's current predicament?
Where is he?
What's the time?
What difference does that make?
Well, depending on the time, he may be in one spot or several.
If we're gonna play games, I'm gonna need a cup of coffee.
The good cop, bad cop routine.
Not exactly.
Where are they? Killing is making a choice.
Where are they? Choose between one life or the other. Your friend, the district attorney, or his blushing bride to be. You have nothing to threaten me with. Nothing to do with all your strength. Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you where they are. Both of them. And that's the point. You'll have to choose. He's at 250 52nd Street, and she's on Avenue X.